In this video, you'll learn how to use volume profile indicator, how to use it on a TradingView, and also my secret techniques after 8 years in trading. Before I share with you about volume profile, first let's cover idea of a volume, why it's so important, and after that exact strategies and ideas. Firstly, volume, it is amount of trades that traded at some price. We have two types, major types of volume indicators. Simple volume indicator that shows to you what happened exactly in one candle or a bar. That bar could be on a different time frame, and this volume shows exactly inside here. It doesn't matter at what area volume were traded, at bottom of this candle or at high. Doesn't matter, it calculates all together inside. Volume profile, it shows to you a horizontal volume. Let's do like this example, like volume profiles that built in on this range. Example for you. We have this beautiful level, 19300. How volume profile creates? On one day, here some amount of coins trades, here, on each candle, each time when price cross this level, and on that level some amount of coins buy and sells, it adds into this volume profile. That means altogether it accumulates this amount of trades that happen. It doesn't matter who did, but it's so important to see large value such areas. This large stuff, it calls a value area, because it is a place where people did biggest transactions. Why it so matters for us? Because all markets, all financial markets, crypto, stocks, FX, futures market on Chicago Mercantility, all they driven by institutional investors, and they have really big pockets. Example for you, like Goldman Sachs, total assets under management 2.5 trillions. Huge. I think you understand it's really huge. And even if they have like 2% on a crypto market, it is already 50 billions. It's huge. And they don't trade 1 BTC, 2 BTC. They need big amount of coins to enter and get out. That's why they need large areas where they can accumulate a lot of coins that no one understands that they bought. Because if everyone understands that Goldman Sachs buy, what happens? This stuff. But Goldman Sachs needs, for a start, to do this one, buy silently a lot of coins that no one knows it, and after that do the pump to make money. That's why big volume profile areas gives you understanding that at that area some whales might build a large position, and whales always will move a price higher or lower. Share with me in the comments, do you understand the concept of whales and smart money and how price moves? Also, if you enjoy what I share with you, subscribe to this channel, because it will help you make money on a crypto and share our strategies that we developed after 8 years in trading. Let's come back to this volume profile indicator and how we exactly can use it as an example in this community. Firstly, this volume profile, as I send this idea to our community, have a look on this local example, on this local screenshot. How do I use it? I like this volume profile when price exactly retests this volume profile, plus together we have some confirmation as a significant size in a DOM or a footprint. Have a look on this confirmation from a heat map. I like to use this stuff all together with heat map indicator. When I see that significant limit order appears at volume profile exactly in the middle, that gives to me understanding that the big chance this idea will play out with really huge success. That's a reason, by the way, why I sent this idea to our community and why I thought this would play out really well, because here, have a look on this powerful volume that traded exactly here at 9,200. 1,600 BTC someone set as a limit order. Price did fake breakdown of this limit order, and that limit order become important support. 1,600 BTC, it is approximately $30 million someone bought. About heat map, how to use this stuff all together, you can find there would be a separate lesson in the cards or description to this video, and highly recommend you to watch. Shortly, I would like to summarize to you how we use this. We can use this as powerful support or resistance in a future when we trade different coins. Like this example, this volume profile, it became important support, plus we had a confirmation from a significant size that exactly traded here. When you take a trade, simply you can trade, you simply set a stop loss below local low and keep it up until next important level, like this example how price build it. Also, you can use volume profile as important support resistance, because have a look like on this example how volume profile became important resistance for a crypto market, because you should understand a logic like this one. Have a look like this logic. Why price bounced from this area? Because some people that bought Bitcoin in the middle of this range, when if you imagine you bought a Bitcoin here and price made this significant drop and you still didn't close the trade, and here you see a break even. What would you do with your position when you see break even? Many people would get out and would say, thanks God I didn't lose anything. That's why such volume profiles, it's a real people that support their coins, their trades. And when this stuff done by institutional like Goldman Sachs, they could hold because they have additional amount of money that they could keep and pump. That's why we use volume profile as a powerful support resistance to open a trade, set take profits and the stop losses. But still, I highly recommend you to use together with a heat map and a footprint. And here would be 2 lessons about our top strategies that we use all together with a footprint and heat map. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe. See you in the future.